Hello, driving intelligence community. I'm at my favorite education location for some of my videos and some of the projects I do. I'm outside this wrecked first gen CTS and I need a part off the dash. And today I'm going to do a little testing to figure out how to get it off because I don't know how to do it and I can't find it on the internet. Quick note, this video applies to the 2003 through 2007 Cadillac CTS and CTS-V and the 2003 through 2006 Cadillac SRX. So I need the dash vent on the passenger side. This little knob broke off on mine and I can't find any resources to get this thing out, so I'm going to do a little test and learn on this wrecked vehicle. Okay, with a little study and a bad start, what you have to do is take off this side panel. That gives you access down here, and what I found is that pushing this down and out at the same time releases this from the clips, and there it is in perfect working order. To get this one out, I'm not quite sure, but let's test it. I've already stuck my screwdriver in here and pushed down from the top. That seems to have released the clip up here, and then perhaps I can get underneath it here and pull it out. No. I was able to get the inboard vent out, but not without damage. You can see up here the screwdriver did a little damage there, but I had to push it down and then pry it from one side to get it out. It didn't really like that. I think it damaged a couple of these clips. These clips look like they're designed to go in but not come out. So I'm assuming that the only way to get this thing out without damaging it is to remove the radio. And that's after removing this top vent, which is the easiest part. You just pull it straight back and up. But the radio is going to have to come out, and I think you might be able to get your hand in there. But the problem is, it looks like there's some metal here. I'm not sure if that's going to be in the way, metal or plastic. So it's not an easy process. Some disassembly has to happen here, but it's definitely not as easy as the two side vents.